Hello friends, welcome to JavaFx 3D tutorial. In this video, we will learn about perspective camera and fixed eye position. We already talked about perspective camera in the introduction part of this sub-series. When we construct perspective camera, we can pass a Boolean parameter for fixed eye at 0. So to the constructor, we can pass the Boolean parameter. By setting it true or false, we are setting fixed eye at camera 0. So that's the parameter. We are setting true or false for this one. The flag denotes where to position the camera in the perspective projection. When we set the parameter to false, the origin of the camera's coordinate system aligns to the top left corner of the window. So that means if we resize the scene, the camera will relocate. Say for example, this is the size of the window and camera is located at the, when we set the parameter to false, the origin of the camera's coordinate system aligns to the top left corner. That means if this is the camera and let's state that this one is the camera's coordinate system and it always aligns towards the top left. Actually it should be like this. Origin, it always aligns towards the top left. If you resize the screen, when you resize, the object may look at different location, but camera goes and realigns towards the top left. So this parameter will be useful when you are viewing the two-dimensional object. Let's state that you are viewing the UI system, and in that case this perspective camera with false will be useful. That means if this is the window, let's state that you are having two buttons. This is button 1 and this one is button 2. When you resize, they look at same size and location also same. So the false will be useful for this kind of UI. So that's what here we are talking about. When we resize the window, the camera moves to realign the origin. This is suitable for 2D space, say UI control layouts. Perspective camera with the false. Fixed eye at camera 0, that is false. That means the camera will realign towards the top left. But for 3D space, we need camera to be fixed at 0, 0, 0 in the camera's coordinate space. This is suitable for 3D and makes the scene realistic. When we pass true to the constructor, the camera will be in fixed position. It will not realign. If it doesn't realign, then when you resize, the object will change its position because camera is fixed at 0, 0, 0. When we resize the form, the scene will zoom in or zoom out, but its shape and orientation will not change. Now let us look at the example. So there is no demo here. In the next video, we will start adding the code and go to the demo. Thank you for watching. Bye.